How food can be your medicine. The same way that not eating healthy can make you sick, eating healthy foods can oftentimes cure you of illness and provide you with relief when you are suffering. It can also act as a preventative measure to take against illness. In fact, there has been an entire method of healing around India for thousands of years called Ayurveda. This ancient healing style is utilized in order to treat any illness simply by changing your diet. Food is literally the medicine that has helped to keep the people of India alive for centuries, and it can still be applicable today. In fact, many remedies are simply healthy foods that have anti-inflammatory properties and the ability to nourish your body from the inside out. Everything from infection to cancer has been known to be impacted by healthy eating choices, and with this ancient healing art, that has never been more apparent. Of course, a lot of modern technology frown upon these methods because they have not been scientifically investigated. But a lot of it has been tried and true for thousands of years and will continue to impact the body. Whether you believe in the ancient healing art or not, the fact remains that food can ultimately determine whether or not you are susceptible to illness. If you eat well, your body will be stronger, and it will be able to fight off illness and infection far easier than it would if you find yourself malnourished on a standard American diet. Without the proper vitamins and minerals in your body, it can be almost impossible to fight off the negative effects of illness. Sometimes it can even cause illness. If you were eating unhealthy processed foods, certain types of these foods can actually lead to illnesses and make you more susceptible to certain types of cancer as well. Although cancer is still being researched and is not being fully understood by the scientific community well enough to actually cure it, there are many instances of people who were able to live long and healthy lives simply by changing the way they eat. Healthy eating can help in decreasing the symptoms of many difficult and impossible-to-cure diseases, such as multiple sclerosis. As long as you're making sure that everything that you put into your body is nourishing, and is providing your organs and cells with all of the fuel and resources that they need in order to keep your body strong, they will continue to do that. And they will do it to the best of their ability. However, if you are actively sabotaging your body, they will not be able to put up the same fight as they would if they were receiving adequate nutrition. That is why it is so important for you to take heed of the way you are nourishing your body. If you are not making active and conscientious choices about the food that you eat, you could be setting yourself up for failure in ways that you may live to regret.